Welcome back or welcome to my channel. Let's just get into the hair. Don't talk because yeah. Let's just get into the video. First up, what you want to do is, you know what I'm saying, why you want to moisturize your hair? Okay, you want to moisturize your hair because you don't want to be doing your fingers and your hair is dry like mine right now. I washed my hair, I don't know how many days ago, and I didn't put anything in there because I had to run out the house. I think, I gotta get my edges. They're barely there. Do you want to add a little oil? Don't that look so much better? So, products you're gonna need. You're gonna want this right here. You're gonna want this foam. Do you want this, you know what I'm saying? Alright, then you want to use a little mist. I strongly advise.
I had an ADHD moment. I had an ancestral diversion for my higher development. I had an ADHD moment.
Oh, then you want a little comb like this. Depending on how long your hair is, you might want to use this. First step was to part your hair, but I forgot. So you're just gonna smack that thing on there like that, and you need it to be. I done told y'all the wrong steps. First step, spray your head. This is ghetto. Cause I'm just talking too much, girl. Then you want to get the foam and let the foam be the drencher, not the water. The water is not the drencher. The foam is the drencher, okay? I know it look like I ain't got no edges right now, but I do. After you've done that, that's what you want to do, and you want to open this shirt. And don't put a lot because this is just for the hold down. This is not for you to do the work with. The foam is for you to do the work with. This is just so your hair will stay in place.
You can use this little spray, just do it with the foam and then use this spray that'll really hold it in place. I mean, like, really hold it in place. This right here, not to be played with. Your hair is not moving. It's not moving.
So we're going to start on the easy side because you start on this side, that's the stressful side, okay? Gain your confidence up first. Yeah, so then when you get on this side, you know what I'm saying, you're done it.
Bet you see stars. Bet you go far. Bet you levitate. Bet you be God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go.
Let me explain, okay? So you see, you want to go forward a little bit, but then bring it back. Then you want to go back and bring it forward. Do you want to go forward and bring it back?
When nobody's been, when nobody's been, have you ever had fun like this? We gonna fuck up the night, black lights, spaceships fly. I'm not apologetic when we fuck up the night, fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night.
A very essential tool, a mirror.
Oh, baby. Ooh, hey, yeah. said it's so hard to reach you. Don't know what you're really looking for. Tell me if you need to. Tell me I'm the one you're looking for. I wanna be see-through. Transparency when you look at me. You know I can teach you everything. Are you hearing me? Choose 9/11, baby. It don't got no rule. Ooh, put you on a move. Take you places like Hellurrr, Cancun. It's so hard to reach you.
Hold on, I'm gonna have to go talk to my hair and get it together.
If you need to, tell me I'm the one you're looking for. I wanna be see-through. Transparency when you look at me. You know I can teach you. Yes, I do.
Bet you see stars. Bet you go far. Bet you levitate. Bet you be God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Can I sit on top of you? I wanna go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this?
So, y'all see these last 3 rows? We gonna worry about those last.
Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' put you see far. That you see stars. That you elevate. That you need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to put something up. We gon' fuck up the night. What's in these 4 walls? Sexy, my love. Don't miss this roll call. Did you hear a word? Show up, show up, show up, show up. You Mr. Nasty, I clean it up. Go where nobody's been. Have you ever had fun like this? I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher. Gonna sit on top of you. We gon' fuck up the night.
Oh.
Unapologetic when we fuck up the night. Fuck it up the night. We getting fucked up tonight. We gon' fuck up the night. See far. That you see stars. That you elevate. That you need God. I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. We gon' fuck up the night. Sonic, sexy, erotic on my body. Boy, you got it. Hit them dry lips.
Now that we're at the end stage, this is my hair.
That is so excited, so exotic. I'm a seasoned professional. Squeeze it, don't let it go. Leave it, no self-control. I got time today.
So yeah, thanks again for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And I'll catch you on the next one. Yeah, get into it, y'all. Get into it.